Meet Emma. You can't see it right now, but she's missing a tooth. She's been thinking about having it replaced, but then again, you can't even see it. What she didn't know until now is that it is very important to keep a full set of teeth. Even one missing tooth can have a negative impact. Over time, the jawbone in the gap will recede. Neighboring teeth can become crooked and may need to be removed. That's all Emma needs to know. She doesn't want to lose more teeth.
No.
After all, she's only in her early 40s. But how can she replace the missing tooth? She has heard about clips, bridges and implants, but what's the best choice for her? She doesn't want an unstable solution, and she certainly doesn't like the idea of destroying healthy teeth around the gap to hold a bridge. If Emma meets all the dental health requirements, a replacement tooth can be put on a dental implant. This looks natural, is very stable, and doesn't compromise other teeth. Research has also shown that implants are as safe as other treatments, but often last longer, which in the end makes them more cost-effective. This sounds like a good solution for Emma, but won't treatment take a long time? Emma's friend Susan has had several implants, so she asks her for advice. Susan tells her about her positive experience with dental implants. Her dentist used an implant procedure that made treatment very quick. The implant and temporary tooth were placed on the same day. Emma immediately contacts Susan's dentist, where she learns more about implants and temporary teeth that can be placed on the same day. After a thorough check to make sure Emma meets all requirements, the dentist gives the green light and they arrange the next appointment. A week later, Emma leaves the practice with a natural-looking tooth connected to an implant. Once everything has healed nicely, she'll receive her final tooth that the dentist matched to the size, shape and color of her other teeth. This needs to be celebrated. If you're missing one or several teeth, don't ignore it. Speak to your dentist about dental implants.